We talked about the net defense of Letran kanina. I remember that game against Perpetual, which surprised everybody kasi na straight sets nila.
Yeah.
Yung Lady Altas. Because of the net defense at nanu-neutralize nila si Mary Rose Dapol, Coach Sandy was forced to bench Daps in that match. Did not play in set number 3, only ended with 4 points. Pero naapektuhan talaga siya nung net defense ang Letran.
Tama, kasi kapag ikaw yung spiker, tapos lagi na-check yung palo mo,
Yeah.
medyo nakakapanghina ng loob eh. Kasi kahit anong gawin mo at na-check ka na na-check, tapos nababalik pa ng puntos ng kabila. Sakit yun.
Mawawala talaga yung diskarte mo.
Mm.
De La Cruz. Pinalik. Deyala swings away for their first point in the second set.
Wow. Gandang pasok para kay Deyala. Puntos agad. Attacking setter.
Yeah. Nicole Deyala started a couple of matches ago, and she's got that lefty swing in her arsenal. 2 points na pala para dito kay Tring Batara. Yun ang dapat hindi mangyari sa JRU.
Oo, dapat hindi na sila nagbibigay ng ganong errors para sa Letran eh. Kasi hard server itong Letran team na to. At alam naman natin, nahirap itong Jerry Lady Bombers pagdating sa reception nila.
So, Gia Makilang. Sharp serve, better pickup. Del Pilar, naabangan ni Makilang. Lara May sends it across. Laurente, combination for Deyala. Pinuhay pa rin. What a save by Makilang. And here's another chance ball. Let's see if JRU can convert. Del Pilar, wow. Just barely getting to the ball, but was able to tip it in.
Yes, pero Wade Martin medyo nasaktan. That's a bad landing eh.
Yeah.
Nag-crash eh.
They're getting to the wet spot here, but
Silva's good.
Silva's good, yeah. Tapagpag lang niya yan. Nahawakan niya yung kanyang kaliwang balikat.
Pero ito lang, going back to that last possession, makita natin, gumagana talaga itong J Lady Bombers pagdating sa kanilang attack. Kapag meron silang first game, nakakapag-set sila ng maayos na play.
That's right. Oh, Yen Martin exploding for that down-the-line finish.
Using that height and that power, ibabaw kay Diana kahit nandun na yun. Medyo malayo na yung kanyang block.
Yeah.
Ang laki mong space para paluin niya down the line.
Napaka-unpredictable na nitong opensa ng Letran. There's still delays with the movement of the JRU blockers as De La Cruz commits the error.
Pero yung kasi yung hirap, Martin eh. Kahit sabihin natin na may isa kang taong binabantayan, yun yung pinakamadali. Pero ang mahirap dyan, kung lahat ng spikers sa harapan mo, pati minsan yung setter mo pumupuntos pa sa kalaban, malilito ka na kung sinong kailangang bantayan.
That's right. Yung nangyayari dito sa JRU. Service error din yung sinagot. So, 3-all tayo dito sa set number 2.
Palitan ng service errors. Pero kailangan talaga i-capitalize ng Jerry yung mga ganung pagkakataon. Kailangan maging consistent pagdating sa line.
That was an interesting serve by Judel.
Actually, that's the second time na nangyari yun, Martin. Nangyari kaninang first set yun eh.
Parang tinulak na lang niya, no?
Oo. Parang may ilang siya eh.
Sadya kaya yun. Or gusto niya lang talagang ipasok pero kinapos eh. Ledesma! What a hit from
Again,
the middle.
Nonchalant si Ledesma. Tira mo, wala eh. Poker face.
Parang hindi kargado yung pinakawalan, ano?
Parang hindi malakas yung pinuntos eh.
4-all. Yen Martin earlier gave us a jump serve pero masyadong malakas. It's a jump serve again. This time going in. Laurente. Bring! Single block by Ledesma. Back-to-back points for her.
Yes, mapa-atake, mapadepensa, present ang isang Ledesma. Rhyming yun, Mark.
Yeah. Pwede. Dropping, ano ka na, splitting bars ka dun, ha? But yeah, Angelique Ledesma.
Ganda nung timing niya doon sa block na yun. Parang basang-basa niya eh.
Oo. Pero mababa lang. Itong serve ni Yen Martin. Kung merong i-address ang Letran pagdating sa training, I feel like it's
Pagdating sa
serve.
service line.
Yeah. Medyo marami na dito. Even though most of the time they're ahead in the match, it allows JRU to crawl closer. Ayan o, 3 service errors in set 2 alone. Makilang. Nice stick by Hazareno. Ruiz. That goes out for May Ruiz.
Medyo nakukulangan tayo sa production ni Ruiz for this game. Pero we can't blame her kasi nga automatic laging dalawang blockers sa harapan niya eh. Kailangan pang mag-connect ni Inday at ni Batara sa gitna na mas mapabagal pa yung paghabol ng blockers ng Letran pagdating sa opposite sets.
Ledesma. Laurente. Here's Ruiz. Covered. Pero tumawid. Makilang tries. Hazareno with the up. Ruiz tries again with distance from the net. Popped up by Ledesma. Ito na si Gia. Bumalik. Good return by Batara. Judel will try. Long rally. Drop ball. Covered by Makilang. Back row hit. At that time.
Ang dami ng long rallies itong game na to, Martin.
That's right. Makilang. Oh! What a dig by Alonia.
Alonia.
Marian.
Great libero.
They give up the free ball. Running hit from De La Cruz. Will not connect. Andito pa rin. Buhay pa po ang rally natin. Ledesma with a dig. Judel will try to end it. Batara returned. It's still alive. Ruiz. Bounce off the net. Judel with a dig again. Makilang off speed.
Wow.
Wow. And the rally continues.
Another free ball. Pangatlong free ball na to para sa Letran Lady Knights.
On to play. Regalo. Oh, boy pa. Pero hindi na umabot para sa JRU. Finally, that long rally ends.
With that De La Cruz smart play. Nakikita-tip over lang.
Yeah.
Nahihirapan na napagod na rin. Depensa. Lady Bombers. Kahit ako napagod para sa Martin sa haba nung rally na yun.
Yeah.
Tubig ka muna. Ako muna mag-ano.
Okay na. Okay na. Sanay. Gusto natin yung mga ganun.
Yes.
Magagandang exchange. Uy! Ledesma overcooks it. Both teams excellent job in their floor defense. Nakita mo yung numbers natin. 21 excellent digs for JRU, 22 for Letran.
Pero parang yung service na yun, sobrang laking momentum ender nung ganun eh. Ang ganda nung rally, di ba? Nakuha nyo yung puntos, kayo nakakuha nung long rally. Tapos biglang service error.
Gano. Pero ito, mabilis na binawi ni Gia Makilang.
Pinag-usapan rin natin kanina, Martino, na ang bilis bumawi ng Letran Lady Knights every time na magko-commit sila ng error.
Alright, technical timeout tayo. Pagbalik natin, let's have a report from Arlov De Jesus.
Good job ang isang Pinay weightlifter na nag-qualify sa 2024 Paris Olympics. Si Rosie Ramos na ang ikapitong pambato ng Pilipinas sa Paris. Nakuha niyang slot matapos manalo sa women's 49 kg category sa Olympic qualifying tournament ng International Weightlifting Federation sa Phuket, Thailand. Tubong Zamboanga City ang 20-year-old weightlifter na pinsan ng Olympic gold medalist.
NCAA Women's Volleyball Tournament for the season 99 with a game between the GRU Lady Bombers and Letran Lady Knights. I am Arlov De Jesus working on the sidelines. Coach O. Almadro reminded these girls na patuloy nyo pa rin respetuhin ang mga makakalaban nyo and ask and it will be given to you. Kaya naman this game against the GRU Lady Bombers talagang pinag-aralan daw nila mabuti at pinag-ensayuhan ng mabuti kasi they are hoping not to break their winning streak this season. 99. On the side of the GRU Lady Bombers, Inday Laurente, isa sa mga talagang umarangkada sa kanilang koponan, told me that they focused more on their floor defense and blockings, and she also shared with me na mas in-improve niya raw yung pagiging confident and composed niya throughout the game. All for now, Martin Nanjo.
Maraming salamat, Arlov De Jesus. So far, nakikita natin yung tinrabaho ng JRU pagdating sa kanilang floor defense. Again, they're able to keep up with this resilient Letran team. Pero for Coach O, as we take a look at Gia Makilang, may humawak ng net mula sa side ng JRU. Para naman dito sa Letran, you're 3-0 right now. Sige, tignan natin muna itong timeout ni Coach Mia. Very quick timeout triggered here after the technical earlier.
Para lang hindi natin palayuin. Otherwise, tayo mahihirapan din. Di ba? Okay, sagayin natin siya. Hindi ko ganunin. Diretso, straight up, pero nakapasok yung kamay. Okay, kaya natin yan. Tara, isa-isa. Huwag mong palayuin.
Oh, preventive yung timeout na yon for Coach Mia Chuseco. Kasi nakikita na niya, katulad nung nangyari dun sa opening set natin, na ito na, kapag ka nakakasunod-sunod na yung Letran, tendency ng JRU, wala, bumababa na yung laro nila.
Tama, pamatay sunog yun para kay Coach Mia. Pero ito, this is a must-convert point para sa Jerry Lady Bombers para hindi sayang yung timeout na ginawa ni Coach Mia.
Pero si Nat Estrelier yung magsisimula. I was telling you earlier, as Estrelier, wow, good timeout.
Yeah.
As it turns out for Coach Mia.
It was worth it. Pero ito naman, kailangan maipasok to ng Jerry at makadepensa sila sa play na gagawin ng Letran Lady Knights.
So for Coach O, even though, yun yung challenge sa team ngayon, even though you're 3-0 right now, syempre may kumpiyansa ka na. Syempre, you won against Arellano and Perpetual, which is not an easy task here in the league. Ayaw mo maging complacent.
Tama, pero Martin, feeling ko alam ni Coach Oliver ng players yan. Pero ito nga,
Yeah. No complacency with that net defense and a kill block for De La Cruz. Single coverage.
evident. Single coverage, single block. Ang ganda nung timing, ang ganda nung pagkakabasa niya. Automatic kill block. Ito, pero mabalik nga tayo, Martin. For sure, hindi naman ganun siguro nakaka-apekto para sa Letran Lady Knights. Itong 3-0 standing nila, knowing na si Coach Oliver ang coach nila. Kasi nga, ang huling beses nakapag-Final Four, itong Letran Lady Knights is way back 2012 pa, March.
And this is a big season and a big deal for Coach O to return to his alma mater.
Yes.
Alma mater rather, and you know, this started everything for him as a varsity player. Nung ano siya, nung syempre kolehiyo, tapos took on coaching duties right away as Makilang sends that one straight to the net, learning under the tutelage of the legendary Ramil De Jesus. Nasa Letran din si Coach Ramil. And that paved the way for him and his coaching career sa volleyball. Okay. Uy, over the seat. Pihira yun mula kay Silva. And it is taken advantage by Del Pilar.
Del Pilar, again, towering over that free ball. Hindi na pinalagpas eh. Pwede pang kunin ng first ball yun ng libero, pero hindi na. Using her long arms, regalo para kay Del Pilar.
Bihirang mag-over-receive yung Laramie. Oh. 9-11. Casareno! Outside.
Outside, hoping for that check ball, pero medyo napapunta sa net yung palo niya eh. Kaya naman nag-iba yung trajectory ng bola going outside.
So 12-19. JRU a little bit closer here to Letran compared to the opening set. We'll see if the Lady Knights can pull away. Laurente, back set to Diala. Masyado malakas.
Back-to-back attack errors para sa Jerry Lady Bombers. Kung gusto nilang humabol, kailangan na lang bawasan yung mga galong errors. And looking at their bench right now, almost everyone's holding a number.
Oo. Pwedeng magpalasa dito si Coach Mia. Let's see. Casareno. There you go. Scoring a point right there.
Estrella opting for that one-hand dig sana. Pero medyo mataas yung flight ng bola. Dapat in-overhand na lang niya eh. Kinamay niya sana.
Good swing from Kayla Hazareno. It is 10 serving 13. Oh, that's low for Nitura. Also unusual for her to strike from the middle.
Yun na nga eh. Patong play sana yung gagawin nila. Mag-running sila Desma. Tapos papatong si Nitura. Pero the set was too low para makapag-adjust pa si Nitura.
Pakinggan natin si Coach O.
Ang dami natin service tayo.
Kasi masyadong nag-worry sa result. Focus muna sa performance. Focus muna sa sariling performance. Do you understand? Results will take care of itself. Do you understand?
Yes, Coach.
Huwag masyadong robot. Kailangan magsalita. I need everyone to be aggressive.
That's been Coach O's mantra since the start of the season.
Yeah.
You know, yung resulta, sige, nandyan tayo, 3-0 tayo, but he's worried about the present all the time. That's, you know, what he talks about a lot. The present, performance natin.
Aha. At nasabi rin kanina ni Coach Oliver, huwag tayong maging robot. Gusto ko lahat kayo nagsasalita. Gusto ko lahat kayo aggressive.
Eto. Better execution. But again, good floor defense from the Lady Bombers. Another chance for Nitura. Strikes of the combination.
10 points already for Nitura. Kung kanina hindi gumana itong patong play na ginagawa ni Estrella Nitura, this time it worked. Single block coverage, going for that semi-cross-court attack para kay Nitura. Puntos. 10 points para kay Nitura.
14-11. Hazareno. Dug up. Judel. Laurente. Hazareno. Hit that one. Or hit the ball under. Kaya lumobo yung atake niya.
Oo, outside. Pero ito nga, kung mapapansin mo, Marts, no, hindi na sumasabay sa decoy ng Jerry Lady Bombers itong blocker ng Letran Lady Knights. Automatic nandun na agad sila sa open area.
Oo. Basang-basa nila.
Oo,
No?
basang-basa na eh.
Pero service error. That is unforced error number 8 for the Letran Lady Knights.
Ito kaya hindi masyadong maka-pull away itong Letran Lady Knights. Nababawi nila pagdating sa service line. Halos lahat ng errors na pinoproduce nila galing sa service line.
And if you want to be, you know, part of the best in the league, ito yung mga ipapolish pa ng Letran moving forward. Ledesma. Sent back. Oh, but the push goes out. So we go to our second technical timeout with Letran ahead by 4.
Good job ang isang Pinay weightlifter na nag-qualify sa 2024 Paris Olympics. Si Rosie Ramos na ang ikapitong pambato ng Pilipinas sa Paris. Nakuha niyang slot matapos manalo sa women's 49 kg category sa Olympic qualifying tournament ng International Weightlifting Federation sa Phuket, Thailand. Tubong Zamboanga City ang 20-year-old weightlifter na pinsan ng Olympic gold medalist na si Heidelin Diaz.
Back to our coverage. Nasa loob pa rin tayo ng Phil Oil Eco Oil Center in San Juan City. You guys are joined by Martin Javier, Anjo Bertera here in our coverage. I like this little touch-up on our coverage. May pa-picture tayo dyan.
Kaya yung mga nagtataka kung ano itsura namin ni Martin, ayun po kami in real life.
At least may visual na kayo
May
dyan.
visual.
Pero dito sa laban natin, it is Letran leading it by 4, threatening to make it a fast one here in the second set. Yen Martin, who had 16 points in the previous contest. Nice serve right there. Eto si Batara. Again, Silva tracks it down. Makilang. Tayala, two-handed push. Silva was there for the cover. Hazareno approaching. Silva na naman ang kumuha. Back row hit for Martin. Alonia with the counter dig.
Ang ganda ng pagkakatapat lagi ni Alonia at ni Silva sa mga atake ng bawat team.
Walang nahuhulog.
Oo. Ito for defense sila.
Hazareno deflected, easy up. Martin! Wow! Adjusting for that back row hit.
Martin going off speed for that attack. Kahit siya ata parang hindi inaasahan na nag-off speed yung atake niya eh. Pero yun nga, ang butas, ang depensa ng Jerry Lady Bombers that time sa gitna. Easy point para kay Martin.
Yan Martin still serving here. Shoot sa umpire hole. Ang depensa yung atake niya kanina.
Yeah.
Grabe, shoot na shoot eh.
Oo.
Laurente. Hazareno off the combination. Different execution here for JRU. And it worked to perfection.
Yes, but they need more of that. They need more of that good reception, good set plays galing kay Inday at good attack adjustments para sa spikers nila para makahabol at makadikit pa sa kalamangan ng Letran Lady Knights.
Triple block pa. Yung nilusutan doon ni Hazareno. Makilang.
Ooh, what an adjustment para kay Makilang.
But dug up by Alonia. Here's a free ball. Silva with the first pass. Oh! Estrelier. Wow.
With that heads-up play.
With a reverse dump right here. Kita mo kailangan saktong-sakto yung puwersa na doon. Tansyado niya.
Oo, kasi napalakas ng ote, outside yung drop ball niya na yun.
Again, Estrelier maturing here in season 99 as a playmaker and an all-around setter. Here she comes. Back to Fornitura. Bounce off the net. Ruiz will try again, and she powers through.
Ito na, Ruiz playing smart. Alam niya na may nakaabang. Automatic na dalawang blockers sa harapan niya. At yung defense automatic nakasag sa down the lane. Kung napapansin nyo, mga kapuso. Kaya naman, opting for that check ball. Nakuha niya.
So 14, serving 18. Apat ang distansya. Oh, joust is won by De La Cruz. That is Ruiz approaching. Oh, nagkabanggaan si Silva at Sinitura.
Free ball.
Can the Lady Bombers take advantage? It is Diana! Wow!
Again, good transition play at good choice para kay Inday na ibigay itong patong play na to. Sa gitna ulit ang punta ng bola at ang set ni Inday. Single coverage. Puntos para kay Diana.
That time, only one blocker waiting for Nicole. And JRU chips away here. Makilang with the counter for Letran.
Ang bilis talaga bumawi at sumide out ang Letran Lady Knights. Every time na pupuntosan sila or nagkaka-error man sila. Maganda siya pero pagdating sa crunch time, kailangan consistent ka na eh. Mas lalo kapag yung mga teams sa kalaban mo, bawal ka na magkamali sa mga ganyang kalaban.
That's right. Ito yung mga pinaghahandaan nila. By the way, Letran versus Benil, that's gonna be happening this Sunday.
Wow.
So,
A must watch.
that's right. Collision course. They finally test each other out. Meantime, Tayala. Oh, yap with the dig.
Nakita mo kung gaano ka-active si Silva pagdating sa depensa.
Ibang klase itong si Laramie, putting up monster numbers as a libero. Ooh, the swing by Julian Nitura.
Medyo hindi nakapasok yung kamay ni Batara for that block. Ganda sana nung pwesto, pero nga medyo late, delayed, hindi nakapasok yung bola. Puntos para kay Nitura.
Pakinggan natin si Coach Mia.
Nauna ka lang. Sige lang, pahabol ka pa ganun. Pasok lang natin. Okay, girls? Inga lang. Inga tayo. Kaya kung nag-time out, composure tayo. Compose ourselves. Ayusin natin. One good reception. Run tayo ng play ng maayos. Inday, tatlo yan ha. Tatlo yan. So, alternate mo.
Kalma lang, kalma lang. Kaya tayo eh.
So same purpose yung timeout dito ni Coach Mia Chiseco. Just to prevent Letran from scoring more points and extending the lead.
Yeah, and reminding her players as well na kailangan na magkaroon ng isang magandang reception. Reminding Inday na meron siyang tatlong spikers sa harapan at paikutin niya yung bola para mahirapan itong blockers ng Letran Lady Knights.
So first entry for Letran. This is Leia Tapang. Ito dapat, sinasabi sa akin ni Coach O, instead of Yen Martin, ito dapat ang kanyang
main gunner.
isa sa mga main gunners this season. But she obviously missed the first few games. Now she's back on the court for them, playing her first game in season 99. And JRU responds off the timeout.
Another converted timeout para kay Coach Mia and for the Lady Bombers. It's a good sign, pero they need more of that. After that point, they need to at least convert 2-to-1 point system para makatikim pa sila sa Letran Lady Knights.
So bunot dito ni Coach Mia, si Bautista, tasked to serve with some pressure. Dahil lumahabol sila dito sa ating second set. It's Angel Rose Bautista activated today. Originally part of their reserve list. Yen Martin overcooks the attack.
That's way too powerful. Kung gusto lang sana ilagay ni Martin sa likod. Napalakas.
Good intention. Bautista will serve.
Good serve.
Kaya siya ipinasok dito. Yam. Tapang. Dug up by Hazareno. Oh, Ruiz putting it down.
Yeah, Ruiz powering it through with a little bit of help galing sa net. Napunta sa gitna ng blockers. Walang depensa naman para sa side ng Letran Lady Knights. Medyo na late si Silva that time.
The Lady Bombers are inching closer in the midst of a 5-2-1 run. Yap, back set, Judel, with a push, pero binuhay. What a save by Bautista. Yap, balik kay Judel, down the line, check ball.
Again, alam na alam ni Nitura yung kanyang advantage pagdating sa down the line area. Kanina pag ginagawa ni Nitura to, kanina isang beses ko na siya nakita na cross-court attack, pero effective pa rin. Pero itong down the line niya, sobrang taas ng success percentage.
So, Letran puts out the fire. Lea Tapang is on deck to serve, the veteran. Inday, backs it for Ruiz. Dug up. Martin guides it with the left hand. Pinuhay ni Silva, what a dive. Tapang from the back. Inday, one-handed set for Del Pilar. They go to Ruiz this time. Oh, Silva kept it up.
Grabe si Silva doon, Martin.
Covering everything here.
Magugulat ka lang maangat yung bola eh.
A combination for Nitura.
Na kanina pa na ginagawa, mas lalo pag transition plays, automatic, nagsiset sila ng patong plays sa gitna and opting for that Nitura. Patong. Kanina pa to, kaya naman nabasa naman ng Jerry Lady Bombers, andun yung blockers, pero they're too late para madepensa at mabalik yung bola sa side ng Letran Lady Knights.
20-18. Uy! Tumawid. Yap. Balik kay Nitura who fires a point.
Pero ito, Martin, let's talk about Silva with 20 excellent picks already for this match. 20 excellent picks lang naman.
Talagang binubuhay yung floor defense. May mga bola na dapat puntos na yung JRU.
Pero hindi niya pinapakawalan.
Hindi pinapakawalan. Laging nasa save neto ni Lara May Silva. Tapang sends it straight to the net. 19-23. This is May Ruiz, team captain for the Lady Bombers, with a pressure-packed serve. They gotta wake up now.
Good serve.
Tapang. Mahirap na first ball to. Martin, bounce it off the net. And that's a point for Ian Martin. Set point. Letran Lady Knights.
The defense was there, but that spike from Martin was too powerful para madepensan pa ng JRU Lady Bombers.
Paganda pa yun para kay Ian Martin. Nahihirapan ito si Hazareno. Basahin yung bola. And Royce De La Cruz proceeds with a serve. This is for the set. Hazareno hit the antenna, so that's how we will end set number 2. It's an error for JRU Letran with a comfortable lead in the match, 2-0. Pagbalik po natin, we'll proceed with the numbers of this particular set and then set number 3.